Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. Have you ever wondered what some of the technical jargon that we computer geeks speak? Most of it is in acronym form, which makes it faster for us to complete our sentences. For non-computer experts, this makes it difficult to understand what we geeks are talking about, and I want to try and clarify some of these acronyms that we tech geeks use mostly in everyday life or when we are chatting amongst ourselves. I may not hit on every single acronym used in computer jargon, so forgive me if I miss out on some or a few of them. Let's start out with the simplistic one that most of us have heard of. CPU. This stands for Central Processing Unit. This is the brains of every computer. This chip controls everything from startup to shutdown in a computer. Think of it as the nerve center of your laptop or desktop computer. Without the CPU, the computer cannot function. GPU. This stands for Graphic Processing Unit. This device is a separate hardware that enhances graphics, whether it's playing games or making movies, to become more in-depth when displayed on your TV or monitor. This device also takes the load off of the CPU so that it can process other tasks, making your computer run more efficiently. HDD. This stands for Hard Disk Drive. This device is used mostly for storage and backup now. In the past, it was the only device used to store the operating system on. SSD. This stands for Solid State Drive. This device is used for storing the operating system as well as other programs. It is much faster than the hard disk drive and much more efficient because it has no moving parts and it uses flash memory instead of spinning disks to access files. SATA or SATA. This stands for Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. This is mainly an interface for transferring data between a computer central circuit and a storage device. We techs may ask or say, is this a SATA or NVMe drive? In basic terms, it is the type of interface that is on a disk drive. NVMe. This stands for Non-Volatile Memory Express. As with the explaining of SATA, NVMe is the newest type of interface for transferring data between a computer central circuit and a storage device. It is faster and has a more response time. In other words, it is an upgrade from the SATA interface. OS. This stands for Operating System. This is the program that uses a graphical user interface that allows you the ability to run programs, play games, ride the internet, type letters, and print out tickets to a theme park or movies. These operating systems could be Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. On your smartphone, the operating system could be Android or iOS. USB. This stands for Universal Serial Bus. This is a type of connection that enables devices like external hard drives and external CD drives to communicate with the CPU. USB started back in 1996 and since then has gotten several upgrades, and there are different versions on every computer from desktop to laptop. In some cases, plugging a device into a USB port can charge your Bluetooth devices or smartphones. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. This port allows you to connect your laptop or desktop to a TV or monitor for a larger display experience. This connection gives you both audio and video and only uses one HDMI cable to work. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is short for wireless fidelity, which enables one device using radio waves to transmit data to connect to another device. This is a more notable acronym we use in everyday life on our laptops and smartphones. PSU. PSU stands for Power Supply Unit, and this is where all of the computer components, motherboard, graphics card, etc., are plugged into. It powers on your computer when you insert the power cord from the wall into the power supply and press the power switch. There are several different wattages of these power supplies to choose from. It is important that you choose the correct amount of wattage for your system, or you risk damaging the entire computer system. And those are just some of the many acronyms used in computer language. I hope this helps you guys out and understand some, if not all, of what was said in this video. Till next time, you all take care, be safe, and peace out.